In this video, I will show you how to create tree maps and sunburst charts in Microsoft Excel. So we have here a data of movies displaying the genre, the ratings, the title of the movie, and the ticket sales. At the bottom, we have some office information, department, supervisor, manager, employee, and total number. Usually, we use TreeMap and Sunburst chart to display hierarchy within our dataset. Let me show you what TreeMap can do. First, let me highlight the dataset. And in order to display a TreeMap, you can go to Insert tab, Recommended Charts, All Charts, and then here you have a TreeMap selection. So click on the TreeMap, click OK. So what do we have for the TreeMap? The TreeMap composed of four primary colors. The one with gray, the one with blue, the one with orange, and the one with yellow. So this is based on the category. Gray is actually defined as the horror category, blue as comedy, orange as drama, and yellow as sci-fi. It also displays the amount of data based on the blocks inside the tree map. So for this is we change the title. This is ticket sales based on genre. If we need to add more details, you can actually go to Design tab, select any of the designs available. You can also click on the Quick Layout, move around. You can actually change the format. Or you can go to Add Chart Element, select Data Label, all right, to identify the text inside each blocks in the tree map. How about Sunburst chart? Let me use this for my next example. Highlighting the data of office up to count under F27. Let me go to Insert tab, click on Recommended Charts, go to All Charts, and select Sunburst chart. Click OK. Sunburst chart is similar to sorry, let me go back. Insert, recommended chart, all chart, and then we have Sunburst. We can compare a Sunburst chart to a pie chart. However, if you try to explore a little bit on this one, again, the data is divided per color. So we have 3 unique offices over here. And we have the department group for each color code. And lastly, we have here the names of the managers and the total number of count per employee on a single office. So we can use this kind of presentation if we want to display the total count of employee for each office. All right, so let me change the title. This is total count of employee per office. Okay, and that's how we can create TreeMap and Sunburst in Microsoft Excel.